Welcome to your paradise home in Bocas del Toro, Panama. Discover the epitome of coastal living, just a breezy 10-minute drive from Bocas Town. This magnificent 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom masterpiece spans 2,700 square feet and sits proudly on 0.3 acres of titled land. With an irresistible price tag of $519,000, your dream home awaits. Awaken to the gentle whispers of the ocean, with your private beach just steps from your doorstep. Impeccably remodeled, this property offers a symphony of comfort and luxury. Dip into your very own tropical retreat with a ground level that offers more than just space. It offers endless possibilities. Complete with a workshop, a studio apartment featuring a fully equipped kitchen and a relaxing jacuzzi, and outdoor spaces tailor-made for serene moments. Ascend to your sanctuary on the upper floor, where the world's beauty meets your eyes. From your covered terrace, embrace sweeping ocean vistas that transcend mere imagination. The contemporary kitchen, adorned with top-tier LG appliances, stands as a testament to modern convenience. Rest in style within 2 comfortable bedrooms, each boasting modern ensuite bathrooms. Seamlessly connected to the grid, the property boasts a backup water supply of 10,000 liters and an 8,500 watt generator, a testament to readiness for any circumstance. Don't miss this chance to own a titled beach home with incredible income potential. This is more than just a property. It's an opportunity to experience beachfront living like never before. Call now and embark on a journey to make this dream a reality. Your beachfront paradise awaits.